ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि सेकंड चैप्टर श्लोक नंबर 39। द्रष्टृत्वं दृश्यता नैव नैकस्मिन्नेकदा क्वचित् दृश्य दृश्यो न च द्रष्टा। आफ्टर दैट देयर इज ए करेक्शन। द्रष्टुर्दर्शी दृशिर्न च, not drashtu. So rikara you have to make it into ukara, and about the drashtu, then repha will be there about the. So drashtur darshi drishir nacha. Everybody understood?
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
Yes, Swami.
How will you pronounce? Drashtu.
Drashtur.
How?
Drashtur. Drashtur Darshi.
Drishir nacha. So what is the meaning? Drashtutvam drishyata cha nai na ekasmin ekada kvachit bhavati. In one and the same thing, drashtutvam and drishyata. Drashtutvam and drishyata means both are bhava only. Pratyas are indicating bhava. Tva pratyaya and ta tasya bhavas tvatalau. So tva, ta, they are same, and there is tap. Na ekasmin ekada kvachit. One and the same thing at the same time cannot be both drashta and drishya. Drishya drishyo na cha drashta. Drashta drishyasya drishyo na bhavati. Drashta cannot be the object of knowledge of the object of knowledge. And drashtur darshi drishir nacha. Drishi means Vijnanam. Drashtur darshi. Drashta ka dekhne wala. The seer of the drashta cannot be the knowledge by which the seer sees the objects. The seer of the object cannot be seen by the knowledge by which the seer sees the objects. In other words, there is drashta, the seer, there is drishya, the seen, and there is drishi, the knowledge of the drashta. So neither, the Tika explains beautifully. See the second line in Tika, evam cha sati etadapi siddham ityaha drishya drishya iti. So since one and the same thing cannot be having drashtutvam and drishyatvam at the same time, therefore drashta cannot be drishyasya drishya. Drishya drishya cannot be drashta. स्वदृश्येन विज्ञानेन स्वयं आत्मा दृश्यो न भवति. स्वदृश्येन दृश्येन विज्ञानेन. विज्ञानम मीन्स the vritti. Ghata, neither ghata can know atma. Ghata is drishya. Drishya ghata cannot know atma, nor ghata jnanam can know atma, because atma illumines ghata as well as ghata jnanam. So swadrishyena vijnanena. Vijnanam, which is swasya drishyam. What is swa? Swa means atma. Atma's drishya is vijnanam also, just like ghata. Swadrishyena vijnanena swayam atma drishyo na bhavati. Atma does not become drishya. Drishishya vijnanam swadrishtaram atmanam na vishay karoti. And drishi means vijnanam. This is the fourth quarter. Drishi vijnanam swadrashtaram atmanam. It does not make the vishaya of this atma, who is the drashta of itself. In swadrishyena, in the second line, the meaning of swa is
Atma.
in the third line, swadrashtaram, meaning of swa is
Ghata.
Ghata
Vijnanam.
vijnanam. Vijnanam swadrashtaram atmanam, swasya drashtaram atmanam. Na vishayi karoti. So ghata jnanam cannot make atma as its vishaya, who is the illuminator of the ghata jnanam. Iti cha etadvayam siddham bhavati ityartha. So both of these are siddham. Or he makes it little bit more systematic now, this thinking. Yadva tasya drishyatva asambhavat iti hetum aha drishya drishya iti. Tasya drishyatva asambhavat. Tasya kasya
Atma.
atmanah drishyatva asambhava. Atma cannot be drishya. Iti, so the hetu is drishya drishya. Drashta cannot be drishyasya drishya. Drashtur hi drishyatvam vadata tvaya. You, the one who says drashta can become drishya. Drashtur hi drishyatvam vadata tvaya. Svena drishyena darshanena va vaktavyam. Vaktavyam kim?
Drishyatvam.
Correct. Drishyatvam vaktavyam tvaya. You should say that drishyatvam of drashta, atma, will happen by svena or drishyena or darshanena. Three vikalpas are there. Because three things are there. Swa means atma, drishya, whatever drishya, ghata you can take, and darshana, jnanam, ghata jnanam, let us say. Can atma be known by atma? Can atma be known by ghata? Can atma be known by ghata jnanam? If you say atma becomes known, becomes drishya, drishya of which drashta? Of ghata, of atma. So atma will be drashta, atma will be drishya, first vikalpa. Atma will be drishya of ghata drashta, or ghata as drashta, or atma will be drishya and ghata jnanam will be the drashta. Which one? So none is going to happen. Vaktavyam tvaya. Why? Anyasya abhavat. Because there is no other, only three options are there. Either it is drashta, or the whole jagat drishya, or tasya jnanam. Tatra na tavat svena drishyatvam sambhavati. Swatmani kriya virodhat. So you all know this very well now. Svena drishyatvam. Atma does not become drishya of itself. Unlike how Kshanik Vijnanavadis think, we don't accept that Atma will be drashta also, drishya also. Because in one's own self, kriya is not possible. Swatmani kriya virodhat. Napi drishyena drishyatvam sambhavati. And also drishyena drishyatvam na sambhavati. Drishyena ghata patadina. By them, Atmanaha drishyatvam na sambhavati. Atma will not become drishya by of other things. Why? Jadasya chetana vishayi karana yoga. They all are jada. Jada cannot make chetana as its vishaya. Jadasya chetana vishayi karana ayogat. Napi drishina vijnanena drishyatvam sambhavati. Drishina, by the drishi, which is the vijnanam, ghata jnanam, pata jnanam, etc. By them, drishyatvam atmanaha na sambhavati. By them also Atma cannot become drishya. Why? Tasya vishaya gocharasya vishayi gocharatva yogat. That ghata jnanam is going towards ghata. It is vishaya gochara. It is moving around the vishaya. It will not go towards the vishayi. Vishayi tasya vishaya gocharasya vishayi gocharatva yogat. When will Gangaji go to Himalaya? She is coming from Himalaya. Tasya vishaya gocharasya vishayi gocharatva yogat. Tatasya na drashtur drishyatvam ityartha. Therefore, drashtuhu drishyatvam na. Drashta cannot become drishya. So the correction that I gave you, actually that word directly, you can see, not directly, but it is given in the 5th line. Drashturhi, that shabda is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
That shabda is your key for that correction. Drashturhi. So there, drashtur darshi. That's how that correction has come. Next line also same correction you have to make. Drashtur drishyatve drishesha drashtur darshitve. That drashtur darshitve correction you have to make. Drashtur drishyatve drishesha drashtur darshitve doshamaha sarva samvyavahara iti. If drashta becomes drishya, drashtuhu drishyatve and drishesha drashtur darshitve and drishi means vijnanam becoming the seer, darshi of drashtuhu. All these 5 words are clear. What they are? Drashtur, drishyatve, drishesha, drashtur, darshitve.
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the first word? Drashtuhu means?
Of drashta.
Drashta means Atma. Of this Atma. Drishyatve. If you consider that as drishya, like any object, and drishehe cha drashturdarshitve. What does that mean?
दृशेः of Vijnanam, drashtu darshitve, making drashta as object of darshanam.
Drashtuhu darshitve. Drishesha drashtuhu darshitve. In that there is dosha. Dosham aha. Moolam sarva samvyavahara lopascha prapnoti. Sarva samvyavahara, all vyavahara lopa will happen. How? Yasmat. Drashtapi yadi drishyaya atmeyat karmatan dhiyah yogapadyama drishyatvam vayyarthyam chapnuyat shrutihi. Drashtapi yadi drishyaya atmeyat karmatan dhiyah yogapadyama drishyatvam vayyarthyam chapnuyat shrutihi. The Anvaya of Purvardha, you should note down. Drashta Atma Yadi Drishyayaha Dhiyaha Api Karmatam Yat. Yadi I already said, right? Drashta Atma Yadi Drishyayaha Dhiyaha Api Karmatam Yat. Then Yogapadyam Adrishyatvam Vayyarthyam cha Shrutihi Apnuyat. Shrutihi Vayyarthyam cha Apnuyat. Sureshwaracharya ji is having a great time in these shlokas with all these drashta, drashya, drishir, drishya, whatever word combinations he can make, he is making them. The idea in this shloka is, if someone proposes this, Atma is drashta of buddhi, which is drishya. And then buddhi will become drashta of Atma, which will become drishya. So then the Purvardha says, drashta Atma also, if it becomes drishya of drishyayaha dhiyaha, both are shashti. Buddhi, which itself is drishya, Atma becomes the drashta becomes the karma of buddhi. Karma of buddhi means drishya of buddhi. Karmatam iyat. Iyat, iyatam, iyuhu. Then both will become drashta. Atma is also drashta. Buddhi also will be drashta. There will not be any drishya. Yogapadyam adrishyatvam. One. And then when both become drishya, either both are drashta or both are drishya. If both are drashta, there is no drishya. If both are drishya, shruti virodha will happen. Shruti will become vyartha. Which shruti he will say in Tika. He doesn't say which shruti. You have to understand which shruti. Yadi drashtatma swadrishyayaha dhiyaha karmatam iyat. If the drashta atma becomes the karma of swadrishya, swadrishyayaha dhiyaha karmatam iyat, tada drashtapi drishyate iti syad. Then what will happen? Drashta will become drishya. So everyone will say drashtapi drishyate. Tathacha buddhyatmanor ubhayorapi yugapat ekaikasyaiva drashtrutvam drishyatvam cha syat. Then what will happen? बुद्धि आत्मनोः, बुद्धि एंड आत्मा उभयोः युगपत् साइमल्टेनियसली एकैकस्य दृष्टृत्वं दृश्यत्वं च स्यात्। युगपत् एकैकस्य दृष्टृत्वं means simultaneously they both will be drashta, or when one is drashta another is drashya, when another is drashta first is drashya. So either way they will have both drashtutvam drishyatvam jasya तथा च सति दृष्टृत्वात् एव उभयोः अदृश्यत्वम, when both are drashta then there is no drishya. And दृश्य दृश्यत्वे च आत्मनः कूटस्थ दृष्टात्म विषयायाः श्रुतेर वैयर्थ्यम स्यात् इत्यर्थः. And दृश्य दृश्यत्वे च, when atma becomes दृश्य of the दृश्य, आत्मनः दृश्य दृश्यत्वे, then कूटस्थ दृष्टा आत्म विषयायाः श्रुति, that atma is कूटस्थ दृष्टा, that shruti will become vyartha. So what is that shruti? That atma is always drashta.
नहीं दृष्टो
Anybody?
दृष्टे विपरिलोपो विद्यते.
That is next one he gives. So here atma drashta is kutastha drashta, which doesn't become drishya. Yattad adrishyam agrahyam. So it is adrishyam. Adrishyam means adrishyam, that which doesn't become drishya. Here you are saying atma will become drishya. This is one dosha. And second is atma doesn't become drishya because atma is adrishto drashta, ashruto shrota, amato manta, avijñato vijñata. Brihadaranyaka. So those two shruti, they will become vyartha, because in those shrutis it is said atma does not become drishya, but you are saying atma will become drishya. Drishya drishyatve cha atmanah kutastha drashtatma vishayaha shrute vaiyarthyam. Vaiyarthyam eva upapadaitum aha. Now how that vaiyarthyam will happen? Iti aha kutaha iti yasmat नालुप्त दृष्टेर दृश्यत्वं दृश्यत्वे द्रष्टृता कुतः स्याच्चेदृगेकं निर्दृश्यं जगद्वा स्याद साक्षिकम् नालुप्त दृष्टेर दृश्यत्वं दृश्यत्वे द्रष्टृता कुतः स्याच्चेदृगेकं निर्दृश्यं जगद्वा स्याद साक्षिकम्. There is a different reading which is better in the second line, Tritiya Pada. Syache drigeka, not ekam, drigeka. Nirdrishya, not nirdrishyam, not Napunsakling, Strilinga Shabdas. Syache drigeka nirdrishya. This is the reading. It is said it is preferred. सह साधियान पाठ है. अलुप्त दृष्टेर दृश्यत्वम न. अलुप्त दृष्टि मीन्स आत्मा. अलुप्त दृष्टे है आत्मनः दृश्यत्वम न. दिस इज प्रथम पाद. दृश्यत्वे द्रष्टृता कुतः. इफ आत्मा इज दृश्य, then how can it be drashta? द्रष्टृता कुतः. स्यात् चेत् दृगेकम और एका बिकॉज दृग इज स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. एका दृक् निर्दृश्या स्यात्. Either you will have drashta and no drishya. Buddhi is also drashta, means there is no other drishya remain. Everything is either drashta. Then that drashta will be nirdrishya, without any drishya. Or jagad va syad asakshikam. If everything is drishya, then there is no drashta. There is no sakshi. Acharya is having wonderful time. I hope you all are also understanding all these shabdas. Lupta drishter ghatadereva drishyatva niyamat atmanopi drishyatve drashtilopah syat. Lupta drishtehe ghatadehe eva. Lupta drishti is like ghata, etc. Atma is alupta drishtihi. Lupta drishtir yasya saha lupta drishtihi. So ghata is lupta drishti. Sometimes it is available, sometimes it is not available. Ghata jnanam is not there all the time. But Atma is jnana swarupa. It is there all the time. So lupta drishtir ghatadehe eva drishyatvam. Only lupta drishti vastu will be having drishyatvam. This is a niyama. So if you say Atma is also becoming drishya, Atma will become
Lupta.
lupta drishti. Atma will become lupta drishti. Lupta drishti because it is drishya. So Atma will be lupta drishti. And Shruti says Atma is alupta drishti. Because nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate. So that Shruti will have virodha. Tathacha nahi drashtur drashter ityadi shruter vayartham prasajyata ityartha. So that those Shrutis, that Shruti will have vayartham. This is how he has explained, Acharya. Nanu janantam mam janami iti anubhavat drashturapi drishyatvam drishyasya cha drashtrutvam iti ashankya aha. Janantam mam janami. Janantam, what is the pratyaya?
Shatru pratyaya.
What is the pratipadika?
Jnanat.
Janat. Janat.
Janat. Like Bhagavat. What is the dhatu in janami?
Gnya dhatu.
How did Gnya become Ja?
Gnya janor ja.
Gnya janor Ja. Those who don't know these things, they should note all these things. Means the amount of effort that you put in studying and do a self-study, then you will enjoy and you will benefit. Most of you know, if you are just there, you will not benefit as much. You will have to put forth this effort. Janantam mam janami iti anubhavat. This is Bhatta, Kumaril Bhatta. They say, but our anubhava is, I know myself who knows. Janantam mam janami. So I know something which is a knower. So I know Buddhi and Buddhi knows me. So he says this is there. This is our anubhava. Iti anubhavat. Drashturapi drishyatvam. Drishyasya cha drishtitvam. Drashta will become drishya. Drishya will become drashta. Drashturapi drishyatvam. Drishyasya cha drashtritvam. Iti ashankyaha syachet drigekam iti. So in the shloka, Uttarardha says, Syachet drigekam. Tatha sati, drishyasya drashtritva avirodhat. Then drishya will not have virodha with drashta. Drishya also will become drashta. Drishyasya drashtritva avirodhat. Drashtru swabhavata pattau. Sarvam drashtrurupam eva asit. So then drishya will get drashtru swabhava. And therefore everything will be drashta. Sarvam drashtur rupam eva asit. Bhavet. Drishya shunyo drashta eva avashishyeta. And drashta, everything will be drashta. And drishya, there is no drishya. Drishya shunyo drashta. Is pita without putra or putri. That is not possible. On the other hand, tatha chet drashturapi drishyata avirodhat. There khandakar you should put. Because in the earlier also we said avirodhat. Here also avirodhat. Drashtuhu api drishyata avirodhat. Drishya swabhavata pattau sarvam drishyam eva asit. Drishya swabhavata apattau. Drishya swabhavata will, everything will become drishya, sarvam drishyam eva asit. Then what is the problem? Drashtu shunyam jagat eva avashishyata. There will be no drashta. Drashtu shunyam jagat. So you see how vichar is done. This is called mananam. After Shravanam, this is what we have to do. In other words, when someone feels or thinks that I will realize Atma, what is their idea? If they see, this vritti vyapti, phala vyapti is also a concept to explain that Atma does not become known as different from me. If Atma Jnanam will take place, it will be only aparoksha. That's why Vivarana Prasthana says, whenever Atma will be known, it will be aparoksha only. You may have some doubts, you may have erroneous notion, but Atma should be known only aparoksha. How Atma can become paroksha also and then you say, I know also? Parokshatvena jnanam will not happen. Because it does not become a Vishaya. And obviously those who think that I saw Atma and I had darshan of Atma and Atma came and all that is childish. Tika Uktanyayasya prashithila mulatva pariharaya mula pramanam darshayati ukta yuktimiti. Uktanyayasya prashithila mulatva pariharaya. Prashithilam prakarshena shithilam mulam yasmin or yasya nyayasya tasya pariharaya. If someone thinks that no drashta can be drishya, drishya can be drashta, etc. So and your argument is fallacious. You Vedanti, you are not just creating Shabda Jalam for us. So now Mula Pramanam Darshayati. Now Acharya shows Shruti Pramanam. Ukta Yuktim Dridhikartum Agamo Daharana Upanyasa. To do this Yukti Dridha. Agama Udaharana Upanyasa. Udahriyate iti udaharanam vakyam tad upanyasa. That means tasya upanyasa. Upanyasa, to bring forth. Udahriyate iti udaharanam. That which explains, that which is referred through this. Artamanyadrishe sarvam neti neti ti chasakrit vadanti nirgunam brahma katham shruti rupekshate. Artamanyadrishe sarvam neti neti ti chasakrit vadanti nirgunam brahma katham shruti rupekshate. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।